cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, all kind of ras bomber, ras clotting, blood clot missing, and the barrel them half empty. See, nothing ever happened to Kingston. There's no reason for nobody at Kingston for your teeth, nothing from the people of Jamaica. You understand me? But the sound stay on of a dirty, crowbait, reptobate, blood clot mentality.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No, Media Fox, you know. So basically, a thing with Buju Banton, him ship them something in some cargo plane, and you see me something missing up and thing. Jano, it's sad, people, may I tell you. But listen what I say.
Company a cargo plane Dun's head, right? And no thieving bread and thieving from another work at the fucking airport. You don't understand. So when things are do things on them hard, you think up, when you think up here though? You think that Terry long life or up here live, I want them Luman life up here live. We're working hard and we're trying to do things to the country and we're doing that the cargo come, right? First and foremost, take forever for you the cargo, right? And when the cargo come out and we start looking at the cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, all kind of ras bomber, ras clotting, blood clot missing, and the barrel them half empty. See, nothing ever happened to Kingston. There's no reason for nobody at Kingston for your teeth, nothing from the people of Jamaica. You understand me? But the sound stay on of a dirty, crowbait, reptobate, blood clot mentality. Right? Them company should have come go to some scandal back because that's what the blood clot deserve. You know? They are straight. So we have a thief and poor people and thief and people that go through such a hard time. We're not blocking at the barrel. Blocking at the barrel, them so they answer question. Where is the oversight? Where are the security measures? Because you can't go through the airport and fart. So how somebody leave the airport with so much things, all these things where these packages come tampered with. Right? On the thing that nice? And one of the people up here, so Barrington fly, and the plane come to Jamaica, come go to things and crash. So Barrington make 2 flights, them fly Monday and them fly Tuesday. 2 big ass clad cargo plane. All if you know, say, when you open the package, everything tampered, everything. What I do? What do really I deal with? Should I come go to something here, so? We cannot continue like this. It's painful. Because we're up on the back of it, right? Oh, if me not say, should I come here, so? We cannot continue like this. It's painful. Because we're up on the back of it, right? Oh, if me not secure, it just hurt my feelings, the blood clot. You don't have no idea. Me not talk the common people, me not talk the thief, the money with them with a Norman man, the airport. Okay? Because when the cargo plane and they say it land, right? And the amount of things you're missing with people, it hurt me very fucking hard. That you different blood clot, in the cut me don't find a drop of blood. Yes, sir. But when you can't do it, no. Okay? Because the end of this, when you should have glad some day in Babylon too. I want to get my soul, my wrinkle and dirty area to where I'm mad. Jano, upset man. Pull a barrel, I want to pull a barrel half empty. Pull the next one, every house stove. The man, I want to come out of the airport with them something there. Somebody answer that and tell me. I want to come out so we don't have no camera. People are going to work them and work at secure location. We check them bag, look at them car trunk, look behind them seat, them about thing with them walk and look under your bomber clad batty hole. But we not thief so much things and I get with it. I don't hurt my feelings, man. I'm not keep silent now. I don't want nobody come tell me about me for blood clot keep silent. Where were you when we never run me on my bread, you know? You think of beggings? You think of beggings? Don't discourage me. Don't let me down. Because we still don't understand the fundamentals of love and what it means. We don't say we can't thief. But this is a time and a place for everything. We don't thief year in, year out. And years people are coming, so them are come through. And when them send them little stuff and them send little stuff for them family member, when them go in the one pair, them can't find this, them can't find that. And them know, them are mad. Them know them buy them thing and pack them thing and ship them thing. And we can't continue like this. We cannot continue like this. Okay? We cannot continue like this. We cannot continue like this. We're going to do something for that. I love you now. Take it and send it. And all the haters, you can't go and go post because most are not thief from no mother womb. Yeah? And this is not the time for thieves. Thieves normally get them foot broken. Okay?
Yeah, man, people, so Jano, it's a sad situation for now, say, yo, Jano, the man has shipped down something and the people, gone with everything. And this is something I like with Jamaica and people. Is that People are try to good like regular people are ship down barrel. These same people work at them immigration place or custom place are thief things out tight and tell me what. I don't know if the government allow these things or what because me never hear say nobody get locked up or some people get locked up for them thing and what them a cause. Cause in a this time where people need stuff, you no need to do better than that, man. You can't see people help out in this time and thief the packages them. Man ship down cargo and half of each barrel gone. That not sound good, man. You no need to do better than that. You no need to do better than that, man. Because right now the people them out there suffer right now. So when the thief all these things, who no go give? Who no real take them thing you go give? You understand? Because maybe the same thing them want a thief, are you going to reach in a family? If you not thief, it for no family or no friend them. But that not right, brother. You understand? Because when people take them hard earning money and buy these things and own a thief it, you know make the people them just dead and just trust and just them are just stop help. Because you know can't just take the people them things. You know me realize people enough time you don't go through airport, you know. And when customs at them check your thing, some of the time, you know, some of them just come. You see when you check all them house full of things where them take from people. Full. When them a throw in a one bin like a throw, them a throw it away, you know. And you see when them reach in a one room, them just take that, bag it up. Enough of them no buy nothing. You understand? Them just take things like a feed them. So yeah, the only thing me can say what Buju Banton do, him should have dip on the ground. When all of these things are check, him should have dip on the ground. Him should have do like what Shaggy do. Shaggy come down with him jet. You understand? And you know, they around and make sure say everything check off, everything up on the chally. And that Buju Banton should have do. Him shouldn't de foreign same way and things. And when him reach, now him realize say all of them things are missing. And it don't look good. Me like when him forward out and him call out these people because the government, them not take them thing as serious. Them not take them thing as serious, people. Because you can't have people out there help. See all way there, the man them must see hold up some people where carry care package go in the west side at must see 300,000 worth of supplies. The man them hold up people with gun and a take away. What kind of thing this, man? In a this time where people need help, the man them still do criminal things. The man them still a move like them not no sympathy like brother. You know have family, you know. Me know no have family we need it, you know, bro. And still I try if you go in a the little criminal way, same way. That nah make no sense. You no need for you do better, man. You no need for you do better. You no can't see people work. Yo, me see some regular people, you know. Overseas in a Walmart, Home Depot, all of these places that shop me, you know, put them thing them pan chally and everything, you know. And I say, yo, John, no, the people them hard earning money. Remember, you know, easy, you know, some people are work all 5 jobs, 6 jobs, all of these things. And you know, take them money. Basically, when you check it, are them money you not take. Because when them buy the goods, them and thing, you know, take them. When it's supposed to reach to the people them who are really, really, really in need. You understand? The people them who are clear the barrel them. And I bet say nobody now go. I bet say Buju now go find out who take the things them. See man I say all stove. How them big thing they move. Me not understand how that happen. With the authority them, that's why I tell you, Jamaica just one big corrupt country, you know. Like, people just get away with things. Get away with things. All these government companies who are control, the government control. Them just do things and get away. Remember one time, you know, people, I get something from England, you know. See? And when you look at 2 different foot in the barrel. The man them take it up like them a move fast, you know, and take up the wrong set of foot them. Yeah, don't a wharf. The man them a thief things. This not right. Because How can you work hard and not send things to your family and when you check it, half of the barrel gone? No, man, that is crazy, man. This not look good for the country. When Buju Banton forward out and attack these things, I know a lot of people out there in the world that see them things. And people are go afraid to send them things. You understand? Right now, at this time, it not supposed to look bad, good, but so bad for the country right now. It not supposed to look so bad for the country. If you know, say, yo, the people must send aid come to Jamaica, and these people out of the customer warfare, whatever agency where them work with, I take the something them because of the same people will move them. And them move them fast is a plan. You know what? You know what this expose people? It shows say a lot of these packages will come, enough of them take out of it. Buju Banton package are not the first it happened with. It's just true Buju Banton, you don't know him is a celebrity and thing and him forward and talk out. Enough other package like people who are not famous when nobody don't know. Enough other package them get thief. Me I tell you people, enough other package. So right now, the government have to go look in this situation right now because it cannot keep on happen. When people see these things, them lose interest and stop sending. So, say if Buju Banton forward out and say yo the people them a thief out of custom out of the normal money airport. Them goods. What you think the other people in the world will look up to Buju go do? Yeah, it all cause problem. Why we as Jamaican can't make the thing look good? Why can't make a country look good? Why our country cannot look good? If you know say yo, the people must send aid. Seeing and you can't just make things just go right, man. Come on, man. A sad moment, man. People them need it right now. And still a thief. You understand? It's unfair if you know say the people in my work, them and spend their money and make sure say yo people at Jamaica good. And they are a thief and I move goods and I move these things. It not look good, man. You don't need to do better than this. You don't need to do better than this. And the government need to take them things as serious. But we know say you just be a corruption. That a woman I like Jamaica nice and sweet, but yo, the system out here, so yo, I tell you people, sometimes I just want to give up and just go on a different place, the way of the system here. Because the place nice, you know. But just the system just corrupt, man. You just want to give up, man. Like, yo, you just want to lift up. Just because all them people have set the thing. People just thief, people just do this and get out with it. You understand? In a Jamaica, bank just take people money. No government now come and try to investigate or the situation. Things just happen to poor. And you know what the worst thing? Poor people it always happen to. Poor people. Me I tell you, poor people it always happen to. You know hear say this I get ray from the rich and you understand? If you check when the bank them a thief, you think them a thief now, them know say rich man money, them not touching the rich man the money because them know say if them do it, a problem. Them a touch a look a poor man money. But I want to look 100 grand, I want 200 grand. And them the money them a touch. But them not touch a big rich man them money we have all the millions in it and certain things. Yeah man, me I tell you people man, it not look good. It need to do better than this man. People them need, the people them out of the custom out of the airport, this not even look good pan Jamaica right now. If you know say things are fly down for you, I want to take these things and put in on the personal deeds or what. You understand? When I see situation, I say dog, when I see the man them, me say like them put out something, say the man them are rob the people them with the goods and thing. You understand? Like, yo. And now see them now out of custom and thing, them people are try, yo, me I tell you people, it don't look good at all. You see me, but I don't know anything setting up people. Big up on yourself, you know. That is it.